Damn, look at those loading screens. Mind you, they did great because it loads an entire world in between 4 loading screens. It's not that bad. Okay, well, we're here. Let's see what's gonna happen. Ugh. Okay, that was bad decision number 1. Not doing that again. That was... oh god. I'm stupid, I swear. Let's go do some side questing, because I know this is where the side questing is. Oh god. I'm gonna have to deal with my fucking air bubble. Don't like my air bubble. Well, fuck. Dive. Air bubble. That's gonna now stay on the right side of the screen the rest of the game. Until I leave this world, at least. Hey, fucker. Hey, fucker. Hey, fucker. Oh, god. Stay there. Oh! Did I lose health there? I did. There you go. Hydro fucking whatever the fuck it's called. Hydro displacer. Yeah. Oh god, that's a wall. That's... oh god. I try to fix my headset and I run into a wall 8 times. Okay. Oh. Fuck. What? I did it. Didn't even see that one coming. I have to go back here, I think. I hope. I really hope. I have to hydro displace some fucking water again. Smack that one. Smack that one. And I gotta displace some water. There you go. Yay, water. Yay, fucking air bubble on the fucking right side of the screen. I hate that thing so much. It's not pleasant to look at. It's gross. It doesn't look nice. I'm gonna fucking drown. I'm gonna fucking drown. I'm gonna fucking drown. That would have been negative. Just seeing Ratchet suffer as he loses every breath of air, as his lungs fill with water. Oh, that is like my nightmare. Ha ha ha, you're so funny. I'm gonna use your own people as ammo. Fuck you guys. Oh god. Yeah, that is how you do it. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, and go fuck yourself. That guy didn't go fine. Come here, buddy. Haha. Man, just wait. Okay. Just wait. I'm busy. Okay. There you go. And up. Oh god. Fucking hype. Mind you, I don't think hype was the right word there. Oh well. Fucking deal with it. I am technically hyped for the next Ratchet and Clank game, so, you know, fucking hype train. For a game that was probably overdone by this point, but fuck you guys, I love it. So, anyone that thinks it's overdone deserves death by castration. Oh god, oh god. Nope. There. Okay. And I'm gonna do that? No. That's no better. Maybe I can do another thing? You go there and you go there, yeah. Oh god. Fuck. Oh god. No. 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 Where the fuck do I want this to go? That's the only way he can't, like, fucking destroy something else. Fucker. How do I... How do I don't remember how to do this. The fuck? Obviously it can't be that. Could be that. And then that goes there, and then I don't know, I fucking do something like that. Oh! There it goes. Hey, money. That was really inconvenient. I don't know why, I just had a complete brain fart meltdown thing. Oh god. But yeah, that one was not easy for some reason to me. I'm sure it's a lot easier than it actually is, but... Oh, okay, Ratchet. Okay. Yeah, no, you do what you do. You can do whatever you want, man. Like, you wanna fucking drown. You can fucking drown. I don't care, man. Like, whatever you... Oh, God. Oh, God. No, no. Fucking shit. No. It's not fucking good, man. Okay. Money, money, money. Money. Fuck you guys. I'm just gonna do the helicopter. I need this. Oh god. That way. And then I'm just gonna do, no, that way. And then I'm gonna just, there. Did it. Fucking did it.
Hey, what are you doing
Hey, figure.
I'm searching for a very elusive and secret substance.
Raritanium?
Maybe?
The oceans on this planet are said to be an
Possibly.
excellent source of that element.
Well, not anymore. All that toxic dumping has obscured any trace of it. You will find Raritanium for me.
No, I won't.
Piece of junk. My latest invention, the Persuader. I intended to use it to control minds, but, well, the only thing it's gotten me so far is a discount from Gadgetron vendors.
Hey, I could use that.
Well, I'll trade it for some Raritanium.
I believe planet Hoven is a source of that element.
Our long-range sensors do not detect raritanium on this planet.
Oh, cool. Nice to know. Thanks. You fucking bitch. Fucking telling me useful information. God. I don't need useful information. Amuse me with laughs, or I will not be happy.
Hey,
Hi.
you two are the first friendly faces I've seen in weeks.
Thanks.
You are friendly, aren't you?
I guess.
To you, yes. To him, no.
I might beat
Well,
your
friend,
ass, but yeah.
Have I got a deal
it's okay.
for you? Since the Blarg began dumping their toxic sludge into our ocean, the wildlife has,
Become ravenous mutants?
yeah, you could say that. All my customers either left
Killing
or
and
became
beating our
lunch.
children. Got it.
So I'm closing the place down. However, I just so happen to have one, count 'em one, O2 mask left.
How much?
It's not for sale.
But you said,
I said I had a deal, and indeed I do. You boys get rid of those Blarg ships, and it's yours. Just escort me to the other end of this resort, and you can use our jet fighter.
Jet fighter, eh? All right. But you better not try to stiff us.
No, I guess I don't have a choice other than being friendly to you. Nope. Hey, there it is. Okay. Boop. 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 Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Right, they take more than one hit. Oh god. Oh god, this wasn't my plan. Is it this angle? I can hear violence. Okay, whatever. There's a face. Anyways. Guys, I don't enjoy this. So I'm just gonna suck you guys up and shoot you out at this guy. Unexpectedly. You won't expect a thing. I'm gonna die a lot on this level. I can already tell. Hey man, let me on. Oh god. Okay. My ability to suck is so much better than my ability to blow. I wanted to make a sex joke. It failed because I died. Oh god! Oh god! Okay, how do I do this? Okay. Come to me. Yes. Yes. Get in my trap. Oh god! Haha. Eat shit, guys. That is the best strategy ever. Okay then. Aww. Guys, come on. We can be friends, I think. Okay, well, fuck. Up. Oh, fuck. Up. 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 Hey, perfect. Okay. Okay, whatever. Fuck it. A single bomb glove shot. Perfect. Exactly what I needed. Okay. I'm gonna have to destroy all of those ships. Mind you, it's kind of worth the accessory I get for Clank later on, so I guess it's worth. Oh god, it. Okay, so more of this shit. This is my suction hand. This is me crouching, and this is my corner, right by this man's genitalia. Hello, sir. Oh, sorry. I have to stop sucking at you and suck at these fine gentlemen. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Now I have to blow on you. Oh god, fuck. Jokes are not worth death. Go quick. Why are you making a fucking U-turn? Just fucking drive straight to it. Oh god. This seems very inefficient. Like, what customer would want to walk on that? Like, honestly. Like, no customer would ever, like, maybe, like, if you were at Disney World and that shit happens, like, yeah, sure. I'll walk on your weird-ass fucking, oh god, shit, but, like, that's funny, he glitched. He just, like, inched towards me, he's like, nyeh. Nyeh. Oh, again, who the fuck would ever want to walk on this shit? Like, no one would ever feel comfortable. People, like, afraid of heights, this is pretty tall. That's mountain right behind me. I'm having issues turning. That's mountain. Like, people will, like, fall and crack this skull open on that shit. Oh, that guy's inching towards me. Wow. My PS3 really likes glitching shit like that.
Right there in that locked garage. One tourist crashes a jet and wham! Lawsuit.
That lock is unlike any I have seen.
Very
Lawsuit,
astute
I wonder
observation, Mr.
why.
Shiny. I can't open it either. I don't trust the tourist, and the board of directors don't trust me. So we have a little problem.
We have a little problem. I just want the O2 mask. So if you can't open up the lock, that's your problem. Now cough up the mask.
Well, I can see that you really wanted to fly our jet.
I
So
do.
I'll tell you what. Go talk to Bob at his Robo-Shack. He knows about these locks.
Oh, Bob, like his fatter, glitchier brother where his skin is clipping through his body. Okay. Bob, are you as glitchy as your brother?
Well,
Nope.
what a week
He looks
off
perfect.
here.
Like,
Hey,
he looks
watch
like
it.
he was
I
remade
recognize
perfectly.
that work.
But
Yo,
yeah, his
see
ears a
that,
little
right?
pointy, but
Yeah,
you know.
He installed the helipad.
Maybe that's meant to be like
I
that.
can see that. I taught that idiot brother of mine everything he
But
knows. Look, if you want some real hard
overall, he's not glitching, so that's good.
Ooh.
Will it help us get past that weird lock by the fighter garage?
Ah, you know about those gizmos, huh? Well, it sure as heck will. It's got a real special power slam move built right in.
It's a good thing I need this to get to that jet, or you'd be out of luck, pal.
Asshole. $2,000. Only $1,000 more than my
I'll
helipack.
have you fixed up faster than a horny toad a hopping. Well, there you are, little buddy. Better new. That's right, I am the man.
Yeah, not bad.
Your
God.
blaster pack includes the new Power Slam feature. Just
Boom.
press the R1.
I don't care. I already learnt. I learnt faster than you could tell. Oh, nope. That was dumb. Let me in, let me in, let me in. Mine, mine, mine.
Press the square button to fire the machine guns and press the circle button to fire only missiles. To go faster, hold down the X button. Shoot down those small animations with
Ammo.
missiles.
My first thought was, let's waste all of my ammo. Yes, that seems efficient. Okay, so this is the first sense of, like, space missions in Ratchet and Clank. And, like, this land mission is better than the space mission in this level, like, in this game. Because the space mission is, like, your linear, like, this is where you're traveling. But this one is a lot more like Ratchet and Clank going commando when you're actually doing space battles. Mind you, I suck at space battles, so I don't really play them. Oh god. That was negative. That hurt. Oh god. Ah, god. My controls are backwards. Okay, that works. Boom. 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 Ow, 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 ow. Stop. Stop. Don't like... Ooh, what's over here? Oh, yeah. How do I get in there? Because I know it exists. Did I do a U-turn? Nope. That's not a U-turn. Okay, cool. That's weird. Oh. Mission complete. I am the best. Let's go.
Well, I guess that should do it. Here you go.
It's about time.
Thank you.
The O2 mask allows you to breathe underwater in poisonous atmospheres and even in outer space.
I love that I can now fucking breathe underwater and I won't have that fucking thing on the fucking right side of the screen. You see it over there, right? It's just over there. It's just chilling. It's like, hi. Hi, what's up? Fuck it. Fucking kill it. Let's go. Get out of here. I'm done. I'm done with this place. Okay, so where to next? Completed that, completed. I still got shit to do. Got shit to do. Go. Go, go, go. Time to move.